Caitlin Elizabeth Clark, born January 22, 2002, is an American professional basketball player for the Indiana Fever of the Women's National Basketball Association (WNBA), regarded as one of the greatest female collegiate players. Clark was twice named National College Basketball Player of the Year while playing for the Iowa Hawkeyes. She is the NCAA Division I all-time leading scorer. Known for her shooting range, playmaking, and flair, she has helped popularize women's basketball, a phenomenon dubbed the Caitlin Clark effect. Clark attended Dowling Catholic High School in her hometown of West Des Moines, Iowa, where she was named a McDonald's All-American and rated the fourth best player in her class by ESPN. In her freshman season with Iowa, she led the NCAA Division I in scoring and earned All-American honors. As a sophomore, Clark became the first women's player to lead Division I in points and assists in a single season. In her junior season, she was the National Player of the Year and led Iowa to its first national championship game, again leading Division I in assists and setting Big Ten single-season marks in points and assists. As a senior, she repeated as National Player of the Year and helped Iowa return to the national title game. She also set Division I women's career and single-season records in points and three-pointers, broke the conference record in assists, and led the nation in points and assists. Selected first overall by the Indiana Fever in the 2024 WNBA draft, Clark quickly emerged as a premier guard in the league, earning WNBA Rookie of the Year and all WNBA First Team honors in her first season. She also set league single-season and single-game records in assists, broke the rookie scoring record, and became the first rookie to achieve a triple-double. Clark is a member of the United States women's national basketball team. She won 3 gold medals at the youth international level, including 2 at the FIBA Under-19 Women's World Cup, where she was named Most Valuable Player in 2021. Caitlin Elizabeth Clark was born on January 22, 2002, in Des Moines, Iowa, to Brent Clark, a vice president at a product company, and Clark. Ann's father was the football coach and a school administrator at Dowling Catholic High School in West Des Moines. Caitlin grew up in the city. She began playing basketball at age 5 and competed in boys' recreational leagues because her father could not find a girls' league for her age group. Clark also played softball, volleyball, soccer, tennis, and golf as a child before focusing on basketball. At age 13, she began playing several years ahead of her age group in girls' leagues. In 6th grade, she joined All Iowa Attack, an amateur athletic union AAU basketball program based in Ames, Iowa, and played for teams in the program until graduating from high school. She was coached by Dixon Jensen with Attack, and her AAU teammates included future Women's National Basketball Association WNBA player Ashley Jones. Clark drew inspiration from Maya Moore of the Minnesota Lynx, the closest WNBA team to her hometown, and often attended their games with her father. She admired All Iowa Attack alumnus Harrison Barnes and became a fan of the North Carolina Tar Heels after Barnes joined the program. Personal life. Clark's father, Brent Clark, is a sales executive at Concentric International and played basketball and baseball at Simpson College. Her mother, Nizzy Clark, who is of Italian descent, is a former marketing executive and the daughter of former Dowling Catholic High School football coach Bob Nizzy. Clark has an older brother, Blake, who played college football for Iowa State, and a younger brother, Colin. Her cousin, Audrey Faber, played college basketball for Creighton. 295. Two of Clark's uncles are former college athletes. Tom Faber played basketball for Drake and Utica, and Mike Nizzy played football for Nebraska Omaha. She has been in a relationship with Connor McCaffrey, who played basketball and baseball at Iowa, and is the son of former Hawkeyes men's basketball head coach Fran McCaffrey since 2023. Clark was raised in the Catholic Church and is a parishioner at St. Francis of Assisi Catholic Church in Des Moines. Clark majored in marketing at the University of Iowa, graduating in May 2024. Clark is an avid golfer, having played the sport since childhood. She played in the 2023 John Deere Classic Pro-Am alongside professional golfers Zach Johnson and Ludwig Berg. In 2024, she played in the Annika with Nelly Korda and Annika Skrunstam, and in the RSM Classic with Zach Johnson. She has purportedly agreed to participate in the 2026 Internet Invitational, a golf event organized by Barstool Sports and Bob Does Sports with an alleged prize of $10 million. She has been a lifelong fan of the Chicago Cubs and has thrown out the first pitch for both the team and its AAA affiliate, the Iowa Cubs. She also supports the Kansas City Chiefs and appeared on the Manningcast for a Monday Night Football game featuring the Chiefs in 2023, becoming the first college athlete to appear on the broadcast. In 2026, Clark worked as a sports photographer for the Indiana Pacers. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.